Welcome to Impana Tech World. Today we are starting with the new concept, that is constant. Okay, I already posted the video on variables. You can refer, which is in the playlist of C programming. And today we are starting with constants. Variables can change the value, but in constant we cannot change the value. So we have learnt about variables in the last class. Variables can change the value, but constant cannot change the value. Once you declare the keyword as constant, it cannot change the value. For example, I'll show you the program. See, now we are declaring constant int my number is equal to 10. Okay, again you cannot give my number is equal to 15. It will give error. Okay, because this constant keyword is unchangeable values. You cannot change the values. Cannot change the values. But in variables, you can change the values. In variables, we can change the values. I have already shown the program. Int my number is equal to 15. My int my other number is equal to 10. Okay, and to replace the old number by the new number, new value, you have to declare this my number is equal to my other number. Then you want to print the value, printf. This is format specifier. We have to print in the new line. Okay, you have to print my number. Now the output will be, now the output will be 10 because the old number is being replaced by the new number, which is variable. The program is all about variable, but in constant it's not possible because constant keyword means unchangeable values. The values cannot change. Unchangeable values. If you declare also, it gives the error because constant keyword is cannot change the value. And one more thing is you have to declare in the same line. That means constant int my number is equal to 10. If you declare constant int my number, for example, constant int my number and my number is equal to 10, my number is equal to 10, then it gives the error message. But this format is correct, declaring in the same line and assigning value to a variable, that is constant int my number is equal to 10. This is correct form of. See, this is the first code. As I said, when you give int, that means constant int my number, constant means it will not change the value. It's unchangeable values. If you declare again also my number is equal to 10, it will not change. See, it's giving an error message because my number is equal to 15. This particular 10 you cannot change it. Okay, will change, like will remove this particular 10, my number is equal to 10, and will execute the code. Now can you see here, have been removed that particular int, that is my number is equal to 10. So now the error message is not there. That means constant is unchangeable values. Now we will try one more program, that is, as I said, declaring and assigning the value in one line. I shown the execution. Declaring in different lines, the error message it will give. I'll show that particular program in the system now. Okay, if you declare everything in one line means it's correct, that is constant, declaring the particular variable and also assigning the value. But declaring in one line and assigning the value in the another line, that means it will provide the error message. Okay, this one we are seeing in the system now. See, now I have declared the variable in one line and assigning the value in another line. It has given the error message. So the correct way is declaring the constant int my number as well as assigning the value in one line itself. I'll show that also. Okay. Now I have declared the particular variable in one line, also assigning the value in one line itself. We'll run this particular thing now. Now we'll see the output. See, the output is 10. So the correct way is declaring the variable and also assigning the value in one line is the correct. In today's class, we have learned about the constants. The constants is unchangeable values. Once it is declared, it cannot be changed, even reassigning it. Okay, and also using this particular const keyword, you have to declare in one line, also assign the value in one line. If you are declaring the variable in one line and assigning the value in another line means, then it is a error. Okay, in the next upcoming class, I will be discussing about the operators. Okay, if you like the content, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.